Alright, hello, welcome back to Town of Salem. You know what I wish? I wish I could, like, have OBS record, like, the regular game sounds here. And then I could, like, listen to music on the spot. I mean, there's probably, like, an easy way to do it, but I don't know. I'm not good at OBS things. So, anyways. Here we are. We are Mafioso, one of probably the least fun roles. Oh well. Double Blackmailer game. Mulberry, go for a lazy sheriff claim, maybe. We get jailed and claiming a lookout. No. Okay. 1 BMer on jailer. 1 BMer random. Kill this guy. Nine go random. GF attack 6. In case I'm RBD. Or just attack someone else. Okay. Claiming sheriff, by the way. Okay. Alright. No kills. Yikes. Found NK. All TIs post now or sus later. Please don't be jailed. One, two, three, rolls now. Beast was jailed, alright. One, two, three, claim before on stand. So claims, 3 claims dock. I was gonna say 13 claims spine. Wait, why would you say jailer's BM? Shut the oh god. You're so getting X13. 2 roll. 2 up. Down on 2. Slow. Okay. Did 1 claim? I swear 1 claimed. No, they didn't. TS. Any TSCC. I'm sheriff. Read, please. So that claims a lookout. Yeah, this spy is definitely getting axed. Let me put this in my thing though. I'm med. And then med. One up. Slow. I am blackmailed. Was this actually blackmailed? It was. Just gotta check. There is TSCC. I think this is getting guiltied. It gets guiltied. The BMer, he knows it. Oh, that's good. We killed BG. That was on the lookout wheel, wasn't it? That's hilarious. So this is our BMer. This, what did Bob and Chunga claim? Bob and Chunga. Chunga claims Doc. Okay. So X is lookout. guess. Let's go for Beast. I mean, why don't you BMJ? Like, get your BMs off, I guess. Like, Spy is such a bad claim there, though. Like, why would you claim Spy? Because then, like, the BM targets are confirmed. It's like, it's so bad. Bob, Ree, and Beast all dice. This looks very, very good for us. Transporter shot by Vigi. This is very, very good for us. Okay. Doesn't have a Knight 2 will either. Very cool. Beast dies, the Vigilante, shooting 13. Oh, he saved the... Transporter saved our Blackmailer. That is incredible. Okay. And what is Bob? Was he X'd? He was X'd? Surely not. NK. X'd! What is this game? Transporter transed without calling it. Vigi shot trans. We killed Vigi. We mislinked the bodyguard. And then Bob was X despite being on lookout will. 13 immune. 13 was trans. Who is second trans claim? If 2 trans, no room for med. I need a Knight 2. Vinsicles, you know. Bree did trans him. Bree trans 13 with himself. No room for, yeah. No room for medium. There's a second trans. Who's the second trans? Who is second trans? Who is second trans? Unknown. Trans BM'd. Trans must be BM'd. X and second trans must be BM'd. I'm just like, second trans. Execute 13. Whew. What is this? What is this TS game? Okay, he can't execute him. So I have no idea. This guy claims BG. Oh. 3 is Doc. BM5. 3 is Doc. Can't heal man. Yeah, he's blackmailed. This is perfect because all the TP is Doc. Possibly veteran sus. So we kill the mayor here. Do we even need to get a mislynch? Okay, so this guy dies. I mean, we just have majority, right? With NE. Who the fuck is NE? This guy's Arso. This guy has to be Arso. Yeah, because no one else visited. Killing that shithead. Okay. Okay, I have to call Chunga. Three is sus. No room for third TP with this many TS. 3 claims Doc. 3 is Random Mafia. You aren't Arso. You came up as sus. No. Jester isn't sus. Tannery lost his vote up 3. Give Jester win. So 6. What the fuck is 6? 6 is confirmed. This guy goes up. 3 up. He gets voted. What was the townie that voted that? I mean, I guess just 6 is voting, so like we just have a majority. What NE are you? Xy? It has to be an X, right? Yeah, I know town lost the votes. I'm obviously Mafia. This is Ram Mafia, I told you. There was a disguiser. Town has majority. Guilty. Who's the disguiser? Huh, I wonder. Town lost the votes. Yes, I'm Marf. Yeah, I know there's no TK. Alright, I'm Witch. Okay. Okay, there's actually a Witch. No one's claimed Witch. 9, 13, 14. Y'all attacked me night 1. So we attacked the Witch. That's why he had defense, right? Yeah, that makes sense. Sorry, I completely forgot we attacked him. No one's claimed Witch, though, which is very, very strange. Let's just attack this guy. No, 6 had defense. Yeah, so, no, what is 7? He claimed Sheriff. 7 claims Sheriff. But it hasn't posted at all. Have we been BMing him? Whatever. It's fine. Yeah, we just lynch 7 tomorrow. Oh, this guy's definitely Vigi, isn't he? Oh god, dude, I was so scared that like 6 was Vigi and baited me into being Mafia. It's fine, it's whatever. There's a transporter? Wait, what? How? Oh, did Godfather overwrite my attack again? No, wait, what? Oh, Godfather was witched. Yeah, Godfather was witched. Okay, very interesting. Sure. You witch a GF? Okay. Yeah, it was my fault. I was trying to read chat. Okay. Yeah, that was weird. So we thought, I don't know, I thought 6 was like an executioner there that already won or something with our lynch on the BG. Someone they got super lucky, but no, they're just a witch and no one's claimed witched at all. Wait, no, am I retarded? One of our Mafia claimed witch, didn't they? Am I silly? Someone say, I don't know, I can't remember, dude. My brain's just fried. Yeah, just wrote up this guy. Yeah, very, very clean game there. Very, very clean game. Yeah, so I don't know. Even though this guy wasn't a doc, we should have attacked me anyway, since there was an arsonist in the game. An arsonist just secured it for us by igniting the jailer on night 3. So this guy was a sheriff that never posted. Yeah, he seems in Oak Spy because of the transporter. Are you hearing this? Ooh. Ooh. X is BM for the whole game. Yeah. Yeah, that was really rough. But yeah, it was just like... This town was very, very strong, though. Very, very strong. It's just... Mislinches and this Vigi shooting the trans. Oh, mwah, so good. It doesn't show? I don't think it shows. Wait, why is it playing... Like... Why are we playing music? I don't know. Anyway, yeah, exactly. I didn't think which was even known in the game. That was like so weird. Oh, he wasn't even on the jailer. Revisited by Re. Oh, because the transporter trans himself. Yeah, that was rough. That was rough. GG. Oh wait, doesn't that mean the sheriff is fake? Because this sheriff checked 13, who was transed. So shouldn't have this shown up on the... My brain's just dead. Don't listen to me at all. Yeah, my brain's just fried after that game. That was a weird one. Anyways, GG, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. I'll see you guys later.